Are you looking for the best lawn mowers? In this video we will look at some of the best lawn mowers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. 22 in 201cc lawn mower, exclusive and industry-leading CVT, continuously variable transmission, offers superior speed variability to adjust the mower pace to your walking speed by simply selecting the 6-speed shift lever. Exclusive rubber tires with aggressive spike tread pattern significantly increases overall traction and maneuverability. Easily clean the underside of the cutting deck with the deck cleanout port. Single lever deck adjustment for quickly setting your mower height. 7 cutting heights from 1.38 inches to 3.55 inches. Double ball bearing wheels for an easy and smooth rolling and an extended durability. Max flow deck technology, volute spiral deck design for better airflow and mulching. Number 2. BIM 482BH electric lawn mower. Lightweight corded electric mower. Gasless 12 amp 17-inch electric mower for powering through rough grass. Comfort grip bike handlebar design reduces friction and enhances maneuverability for small lawns. Enhanced clipping collection. Winged blade yields 30% better clipping collection. Push button start, no hassle startup, easy to use features. Adjustable cutting height. 6 adjustable cutting heights ranging from 1 inch to 3 inch. Number 3. 40 volts 14 inches cordless lawn mower. Cordless lawn mower delivers robust 40 volts power with two 20 volts 4.0R batteries. Ideal for cutting up to 1/8 acre. Starts fast, simply push a button and pull the bale handle. Quickly charge both batteries with included dual charger. The same power share batteries that run this push lawn mower can conveniently be used with 140 plus power tools, outdoor power equipment, and lifestyle products from the Works Power Share platform. Patented sensor technology automatically adjusts cutting speed to match the grass conditions. IntelliCut increases cutting speed when it detects dense grass for smoother mowing, but slows down in less demanding turf to save on battery. Just under £30. This lightweight lawn mower is easy to push up hills. The compact 14 inches deck effortlessly cuts narrow areas. The fully collapsible handle saves storage space and the easy carry handle ensures smooth portability. Single lever rapidly raises and lowers the cutting deck from 1.5 inches to 3.5 inches, so your cordless mower is always cutting at the ideal height for your lawn. Choose the way you cut with your lawn mower. Use the included mulch plug to nourish your lawn with fresh clippings or bag it up in the 0.85 bushel collection bag. The full bag indicator lets you know when to empty. Number 4. 144cc 2-inch -1 gas lawn mower. Gas engine, a 144cc 4-cycle OHV engine equipped with recoil starter and auto choke for easy starting, delivers strong power. 2in1 steel deck, all steel deck built to last. Combine mulch and side discharge capabilities. 21 inches blade. The 21 inches heavy-duty cutting blade delivers better cutting effect, allowing you to mow more in less time. Adjustable cutting height. 6 positions dual lever height adjustment allows you to choose your cut from 1.5 inches to 3.9 inches. Easy to store. Compact design saves 70% storage space, making it more convenient to unfold and use. High rear wheels. Durable 10-inch rear wheels and 7-inch front wheels are designed for easy, smooth mowing with less efforts. Number 5. 40 volts 25 inches brushless cordless lawn mower. Get more done, faster, with Greenworks electric lawn mowers. This 40 volts self-propelled lawn mower provides to 70 minutes of runtime on 2 fully charged 4.0R batteries. Varies based on grass condition and operator technique. The self-propelled system smoothly adjusts to your walking speed. Dual battery ports with automatic switchover for longer, uninterrupted runtimes. When one battery depletes, it auto switches to the second battery. The 25 steel deck allows you to handle large areas of grass quickly and easily. Brushless motor provides more torque, quiet operation, and a longer life. Single lever, 7 position height adjustment for the best cut in all environments. The 3"-1 design allows you to mulch, side discharge, and rear bag grass clippings.